I'm Doc Rich, and we're going to continue tonight a lesson for research, and we are now on the reference section, appendices section of your research. So you have taken how to write your chapter 5 a couple of days ago, and today we're going to finish up your paper or your manuscript. So after you have written the chapter 5, sulat na kayo ng references section ng inyong paper. So this one is the proper word to use, references, not bibliography. And basically sa references, we arrange the books, journals, online articles based on the surname of the author or authors of your manuscript or the reference that you have used. So for this paper, the first one list on the list is by Aziz. So ito nakasulat dito, no, properly. Naka-all caps yung ating references. Then first entry is the work or the research written by Aziz. Apelido muna, then we don't write anymore yung surname the full surname of the author. Just the initial of the first name and the middle name, the initial middle name ng author. So pag dalawa yung author na nagsulat, so surname, initials, then period, then to separate the two authors, separate them by using a comma. Then we write the surname of the second author, si Wahid. Then we repeat the process of just writing the initials nila. And after that, we write the publication year ng kanilang research. It was 2018. So current pa rin yung ginamit na reference kasi 2018 is still valid for 5 years na. So from the date of the writing of the paper, dapat yung mga reference section should be as recent as 5 years na. So we have the 5-year recency rule. Ibig sabihin, yung mga ginagamit natin mga references should be not beyond 5 years para updated pa rin yung mga references na ginamit and they are not outdated. So after we write the year of publication inside the parentheses. Then after the parentheses, we separate the year by period. Then we write the title of the research. Ito yung title ng kanilang paper, Why Consumers Are Hesitant to Shop Online. The major concerns towards online shopping. Then after that, we write a period, then we write in italics the title of the journal na ginamit. Yan. So naka-italicize pag yung pangalan ng books, pangalan ng e-books, and pangalan ng journals na naka-italic siya. Okay? Then yung ating second, so take note guys, no? Take note within an entry, within e-book, single line yung ating ginagamit. Okay? But between entries, ito yung unang reference na ginamit natin. Then we have the second reference. Okay? So we separate them using a double space. So have you seen the difference? Single space dito, then in between double space, then single space ulit. Okay. Yung ating second author, and by the way, guys, no, we are using a hanging indentation, APA style. Yung second line, succeeding lines ng ating entry ay dapat ay naka-indented. So take note sa ating first entry, no? Naka-indent siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 spaces yung ating indentation. Also the same for the succeeding entries natin, naka-indent ng 7 spaces. Yung ating second entry is also written by Wahid, Aziz, and Wahid. Kaya lang, nagkaiba. So, take note dito. We separate them by a comma. Yan. Wahid and A. 2017 naman to. So, this is a different entry, different paper. Ang title ng research is Understanding Customer Behavior Towards Online Shopping. Okay? Tapos ang ginamit na journal ay iba naman. So naka-italic rin yung journal na pinagkunan, no? Now, if the DOI is available, isusulat mo rin kanyang DOI. DOI means the direct object identifier, para siyang serial number ng isang journal, no? Para siyang identity yung kanyang DOI. Okay, so you will notice that lahat sila ay naka-single space. Example, itong entry na to by Bilgihan. So take note, palagi siyang naka 7 spaces. Right? Itong paper na sinulat ni Bilgihan in 2016, the Gen Y Customer Loyalty in Online Shopping. Yan. So, naka-alphabeticize din siya. Then, next entry, ito naman sinulat ni Chakraborty in 2016. So, naka-indent din ng 7 spaces sa mga second and succeeding lines. Okay. So, dito maraming author dito. Si Chakraborty R, si Lee J, si Bagchi Zen S. Okay, so you can write all the authors sa inyong entry kahit gaano siya karami. You can write all the authors ng books or ebooks or journal na iyong ginamit. Okay, so consistent tayo, palagi naka-indent. Yan. Right? Ito'y paper ni Duranti at ni Zoharno in 2017. Ang title ng research ay Analysis on Customer Satisfaction, Trust, and Loyalty Towards Online Shop. So ito ay not a research but a case study of Tokopedia.com. Right? Din yung journal na pinagkuhanan or title of the book, sometimes it can be a journal, it can be a title of ebook, it can be an ebook, no? Basta pag journal, pag ebooks and title of a book, naka-italic siya. Ayan. Okay? Then, ang last part palagi yung you write the DOI ng journal na pinagkuhaan mo. Okay, no? So lahat sila ay ganon. To be consistent, no? Maybe sometimes you forgot to single space, you forgot to double space, no? Ayan, so they are alphabetically arranged. So, now, pag meron kayong pag meron kayong online articles sa ginamit, example, si patong bakal, patong bakal Luisito. So that is patong bakal L, period junior, then you insert, or rather you enclose in parentheses yung 2021. And after the parentheses, once again, you write a period, then you write the title of the article online. And then you also write the site. So, ganun pag online article, para na siyang title na, kasi yung article mismo, that is the reference, na walang books, walang journal na pinagkunan. Tulad din dito sana si Prengula Rex, yan, Rex P 2016. Ang title ng article na ginamit is this one, the reasons for non-engagement in online shopping, and you also write the website. Ayan, so consistent tayo ha, kahit yan ay ginamit na, kahit yan ay galing sa journal, books, or article, the surname is written in full, then yung mga first names and middle initials lang ang isusulat. Okay, so pag wala naman siyang wala siyang title, pag wala siyang author, so you can just write the example. You have taken a definition of a term from Investopedia. So, lagyan mo lang sa pinakahuli ng inyong mga reference list. Ayan yung ating mga reference section, no? After the references, you can now start writing the appendices, attachment ng iyong manuscript. You start with Appendix A. The title of Appendix A is this one, letter on the population. So pag kayo ay meron talagang organization or company na magpapaalam kayo sa kanila, example, school or hotel or resto, para mag-conduct ng research, so you have a letter written, signed by the advisor, and you attach that as Appendix A, the letter on the population. Okay, then the letter should be signed by your advisor. Yeah, example, I am the advisor of this one. Then that is Appendix A. Then Appendix B should be your questionnaire. Appendix B, questionnaire, once again, to remind the respondents if what is the survey all about. You can attach a cover letter, a very short cover letter sa inyong mga saunahan ng inyong mga questionnaires, like this one. Okay, so you mention your name, the name of your university, the degree you are taking in, and the title of your research. So this one is very short. Ayan lang siya. You start with the questionnaires that you floated. Ilagay mo lang sa dito. Yan, no? So as is. You write all the choices, the indicators. Pag Likert naman siya, iba kasi yung nakasulat dito tapos nakasulat sa Google Form, di ba? So, isulat mo dito yung buo. And don't forget to write at the end yung salutation, example, thank you for your cooperation. And Appendix C, if you have computation, example for this one, you're going to compute the ANOVA, or you're going to compute the weighted mean, you're going to compute the t-test, the z-test. So dito sa Appendix letters, title computation, all the computations that you used in your manuscript, i-write it here sa appendix letter C. Ayan, so ito puro computation siya, no? Computation of mean, computation of sum of squares. Pero if you don't have this one, huwag nang hanapan, Sir, wala akong computation of sum of squares. So hindi nyo ginamit yung ANOVA kasi. Kaya wala kayong computation na. Okay, so that is still part of appendix letter C. And you go now to appendix letter D. Ito yung tabulation of data, no? If you have done this manually, yung Microsoft Excel na may kulay-kulay, yung pwedeng attach dito. But if you have conducted the research using Google form or MS form, meron siyang automatic na tabulation. You just go to the response, then click yung spreadsheet na nakalagay doon, then automatically lalabas yung Microsoft Excel na tabulation na ganito. Ayan, so you don't have to attach the whole thing. You can just have one page of your tabulation na downloaded using Google Form. Ayan siya. And append, that is still part of it. So you can have 2 pages, no? If you want to show all the tabulation from downloaded, kasi 100 respondents, 50 yung first page, and another 50, so you have 2 pages. Okay, so your appendix letter E, your manuscript should be certified, edited by a qualified grammarian or English language expert. Because appendix E is titled Certificate of Proofreading, ito na yung the editor, the English language expert will certify that your paper is grammatically correct and proofread and without plagiarized articles. Ayan, no? So, example, the editor will sign here and have found it complete and satisfactory with respect to grammar and composition, signed by the English grammar. So that should be an expert in proofreading or in the language or in the English language. The next one is appendix letter F. The title of this one is validation of questionnaires. So ibig sabihin sa part na to, your questionnaire before you have distributed your questionnaires, it should have been checked first by an expert, by a faculty, a professor, to check the accuracy. So dapat meron ko yung ganito. Yan. Okay, so nakalagay dito yung mga criteria. Example, yung questionnaire ba ay structured correctly? Is the length appropriate? Yan. So this one will be rated by an expert before you have distributed yung inyong mga questionnaires, And at the bottom of this one, you will sign here. Ayan. So, plus the comments signed by the evaluator of the questionnaire. Talagang pag ikaw ay if you have floated your questionnaire, it has been checked ng isang expert para siguradong walang mali, grammatically correct, structure, walang mga gray areas ng inyong questions, para mga respondents ay will not be lost, will not be confused when it comes to understanding the directions or questions ng inyong mga questionnaires. Okay. Then the last part of your manuscript is the appendix. The appendix G. You write here your CV or curriculum vitae. That we have 3 members of the group. So meron ka ditong tatlong CV or tatlong curriculum vitae. Yan So 2 pages of your CV can be written here. Ayan, yan ang pinaka-end ng inyong manuscript. Okay? And after this one, you're now going to the preliminary section of your paper. So, kunwari, ito yung preliminary questions na. Ito yung first page ng inyong paper. You write here the strategies or the title of your paper. So this one is, be consistent guys. You can use Arial, you can use Times New Roman in writing your manuscript. But this part should be all caps. Written in bold font. At ang kanyang size ay 14. Yeah. Okay. Then at the bottom, you write here, example, this one is not a thesis. Now you're writing a research paper. A research paper presented to the faculty, faculty of the name of this school. Example, this one is EFA University, for example. Presented the faculty of the department of business administration, and yung pangalan ng university dito, for example, AFFA University, Villarca Subdivision. Then the next one, you're going to write here your partial fulfillment of the requirements for the degree. So what is your degree? Example, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. And so you write it here. Right. Then you write the name of all the authors. Example, December 2023. Right. Then you can skip for the meantime. Meantime itong mga ganito. Kasi ito pipirmahan to ng mga expert or ng mga panel of evaluators after the defense. So ito yung sample lang, Sample, you have 3 panelists. So they will write here mga members of the panel. Okay, you can write this one. You can write the whole paragraph like this one. Okay, you can, but for the meantime, example, ako yung inyong advisor, di ba? Doctor, I am your advisor. And for tests, you're not pleased with the writer, but research advisor. Ba? Ba? Okay. While the other part, example, dito sa mga panel, you can write them here, no? Pero you can leave it blank. Yung kanilang mga pangalan, example, ganito. Huwag mo nang lagyan ng pangalan, no? Dito. Yan. Ang to follow na lang. So, you intentionally leave blank. Ito, na. Okay? Dean. So, be careful. Dean College Department. Yan. Okay? Then, your degree. Baka makopit ang degree dito. Sample lang to, ha. Your degree in, example, bachelor. Ayan. Example, business administration, business administration. So, yes, okay. Dito, pwedeng you can leave this blank for the meantime, no? You can copy the title at pwedeng ilagay sa ilalim. This part is intentionally left. Yan. So, pwede yan, no? Tapos, huwag nyo munang isama tong mga to. Kumbaga, blanco muna siya. Kasi to follow to, no? To follow to pag ano. Now, kung ano naman, pwede naman siyang ilagay na kaagad, no? Pwede naman siyang yan, no? Pwede naman siyang ilagay, eh. Yan. Right? Maikli na naman siya, eh. Alisment, pwedeng wala muna yan, no? To follow yan. Abstract, wala pa yung abstract. Ng abstract na. At the table of contents is important. Kasi itong pinaka-guide nyo, no? In writing your manuscript. Okay, so yun lang muna, oh. Title, then the references section. Okay, you can also write here the list of tables. Kung yung table ay nakalagay sa chapter 3, so that is table 3.1. Table 3.2. Kung yung table nakalagay naman sa chapter 4, so that is table 4.1, table 4.2. And if you have figures, I know you have two figures, the conceptual framework and the theoretical framework. No? Yun ang dalawang figures niya. So you can write it here. And after that, so you have your chapter 1. And by the way, I have already checked all the chapters 1 to 5 ng lahat ng mga groups. So, okay na yun. No? Yung references, this one, the appendices section and the preliminary pages lang yung inyong hindi pa siguro nagagawa. Okay, so those are our lessons for today, and hoping that you have learned something from our discussion today. And Pinto Cortes signing off. And happy writing, everyone.
And pa-subscribe naman po. Thank you.